A ship in motion is not coupled to the space grid. Its interaction is resolved due to its acceleration. Motion decouples the starship at any speed. The ship becomes a vessel detached because of its acceleration motion. Planets and stars are coupled because they have no mechanical propulsion push energy that decouples their shell. In a classroom, Kaweki talks about gravity. Expanse gravity, a zero-point energetic plane of an empty void. Expanse gravity, when coupled to a planet or star, it is expanse that creates a horizontal orbit. It spreads things apart. Even at the nan-micronic scale, it's a near-vacuum interact. Galaxies retain a rotational oath due to expanse. Inside these galaxies, the planets aren't stuck in some gravity well as relativity asserts it. They put in motion by the expanse. This is why gravity in expanse has a greater speed of interaction amongst planetary bodies. This expanse rate at its slowest momentum is what attaches to planets and stars and pushes them into motion. Expanse gravity is measured at 2c, twice the velocity of light. Galaxies are coupled to the expanse grid because they do not have an acceleration mode. They are caught in the expanse motion pushing and giving them orbital interaction. A slow, dragging rotational cycle that asserts with other galaxies at the interstellar scale. Kawek expanse gravity force is the twilight of advanced physics. Orchestrated at 2c, think of your starship in a settling sea or ocean. With no acceleration advancing for flight, your ship sits on the grid subject to its rules. Acceleration lifts your body out of that subtle motion and gravitate you inside the vacuum of space. You are no more subject to the grid's rules. Consider space as a pressure. That pressure is weighed at zero-point energy. No inertia or slow drag if you are in accelerated flight. It's pressure that surrounds your ship that has a high-density atmospheric pressure, which acts as coupled pressure. The pressure at zero-point energy measures at zero. Consider at 1c limit and a 2c limit. The 1c is the pressure's local expanse pressure medium's pressure rate. 2c is the advance rate of the pressure. Unless the grid pressure is absolute with the pressure scales, it's pressure that acts as inertia. But space is an open range. Whether limits beyond 2c exist is a matter of to what ends we travel with the grid. If the universe is finite, there exists a abnormal absolute speed limit. If the universe is infinite or continues to expand, there is no limit of acceleration. A ship can dock at any speed and be carried by
Hey
the
Rodney, I
vacuum
had to put a
resistance.
universal speed limit on energy, on velocity, on matter, and finally the universe itself. If even one of them is accurate, I win because it illustrates on everything else, even gravity.